They say films, you got boats, and you got trains, and sometimes you got motherfucking planes. What? I don't know what this alarm is. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm about to put this bag over here. I can get back in. All I know is the alarm is going on. The alarm is good. Oh, the alarm stopped. The alarm stopped. Jason Films, the alarm has stopped. And the boat has went by. The red light's still going off. It's like when that bull rope matches and there's another train. When they have bull rope matches and you have to hit the top of the corner and then the red light goes off. Or if you don't hit the other corners in succession, that light's gonna stop turning red. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I don't know if the fire truck's gonna be here. I've never heard a noise like that before in my life. I don't know what the fuck is going on. See, look at that. I think that means that it's the end of the world. That's the noise it made when Donald Trump won presidency. See, that's my political humor for y'all. That's my political humor. It's cold out here. My pants are falling down like I discussed before. I might have to walk down there and look at those iciness, riverness walking on by. My butt cheeks are cold right now, so I'm gonna stop filming. And someone's coming, so I'm gonna stop filming. Alright, that's it.